Hi everyone, I'm so excited today because I get to share with you our newest product, which is Crushing It, and it is a scalp and body scrub. Really amazing on both your hair and body. It's 94% natural. It has vitamins A, B, E, and E. It has zinc and copper, so really good at restoring hair. It's got macadamia oil in there, which is really good for protecting against environmental stressors. It's got jojoba oil, which is good for restoring hair. And it's got lavender oil, so really calming and soothing on the scalp and body as well. It's just full of amazing ingredients. It's 94% natural and vegan and cruelty-free, like everything else that we do. So I thought I would show you it today and how to use it. So it comes in this plastic-free tin, and I'll show you the inside. It's this lovely, luxurious, textured conditioner is the way that I would kind of describe the texture. So if I take a little bit of that, so it feels a lot like our hair mask or our conditioner, but inside it, it's got huge granules of Celtic salt, which is a really natural way of exfoliating your scalp without it being too abrasive. The smell is our signature scent, so it is eucalyptus, peppermint, bergamot, lavender and chamomile. So all essential oils for the fragrance. We don't use any synthetic fragrance in our hair care products, and it's just beautiful. So I'm going to show you, it's really simple to use. How I use it is once a week instead of my regular shampoo on my hair. So I find that I would kind of need a bit of an exfoliation after a week's full of, using products in my hair. You can use it every time instead of a shampoo if you like. I use it every time in the shower on my body, just because it is so soft and it's not harsh. I like to kind of every time just buff away any dead skin cells and keep my skin feeling lovely and fresh. So you just take a little bit on your hand, and when you're in the shower or the bath, you just sort of section your hair. So I'll do the middle part here. And you just scrub right into it like this. And I mean, you're not going to sit in the shower with a separation or separating comb. You don't really have to be too particular about it. So you just literally rub it on like this, and as long as it's getting into that scalp, that's what you want. Do another little bit here. And it just smells so nice. It smells like you're in a spa. Whoops, just dropped a bit on the floor. Yeah, this is why you don't use scalp scrubs in your bedroom. So yeah, you give it a really good scrub like this. And when you get into the scalp, it will remove any dandruff. It will also soothe your scalp as well. Oh, there's a nice little bit on my face. And yeah, just really work it in. Doesn't need to foam. It's not like a regular shampoo. Of course, there's no sulphates in there either. But for this to work, it actually doesn't need to foam. For every shampoo to work, it doesn't need to foam. I think you just feel like you want that foam in a shampoo, but this is a kind of a different product anyway. So you really just work that in all over your hair and immediately rinse it out like any other shampoo. And then you're good to go. On the body, similar sort of thing. I've already got some on me. You just take a little piece in your hand, work it in all over, and it just smells so nice. And what you'll feel is that you'll feel the roughness from the Celtic salt, just buffing your skin, but you'll also feel underneath, it feels like you're applying like a treatment oil. So your skin immediately, even before the water hits it to rinse it off, feels instantly soft and smooth, and always working around any areas that you find particularly dry, like your elbows. And then that's it. You rinse it off. I would use it like a shampoo, as I say, so I would use a conditioner afterwards. Some people also might want to use this as a pre-shampoo. So if you've used a lot of products, you really want to give yourself a kind of pre-cleanse like we do our skin, you can use that, and then your regular shampoo afterwards. And but yeah, always adding conditioner at the end like you normally would. Rinse it, you're good to go. So this is the after of this scrub. My Hair feels absolutely squeaky clean. My scalp feels like it's brand new. There is no dryness there, and I would be prone to dryness sometimes. It's just had a really, really good scrub. My body is so soft, it feels like I've had a spa treatment. And overall, I just feel brand new. So hope you like it and enjoy.